I'm going to show you how to reconnect your Sig inverter to the internet. First of all, we need to find the QR code on the right side of the inverter. We need to take off the top plate by sliding it backwards. And take off the side plate by pulling it upwards. Once you find the QR code, you'll go into your Sig app and select Settings and then Local Connection. Once you're in Local Connection, you'll scan the QR code on the right side of the inverter. It'll give you an option to access the hotspot of your inverter. Select Join. It might take 30 seconds to a minute. After that, it'll give you an option to select your home Wi-Fi. You'll select your home Wi-Fi and put your details in and press Finished. After that, it'll come up with a green tick and you can put your plates back on by sliding them down and back in like that. Bango.